Why should you use real people in your marketing videos? One approach to marketing that is proving increasingly successful is to use people who have genuine stories to tell. A survey led by a digital insights company found that nearly half of the 1,000 people surveyed felt that they relate more with marketing messages from real people, whereas fewer respondents could relate with messages from celebrities or actors. In other words, putting a human face in your marketing video is the strongest way to build a connection with your viewer. Emotion, eye contact, personality and stories all build a rapport that is crucial to both short-term and long-term marketing. However, producing high-quality videos for marketing campaigns can be an expensive endeavor. Costs can range from a few $1,000s to hundreds of thousands. Why is video production for marketing campaigns so expensive? The first reason why video production for marketing campaigns is expensive comes down to equipment costs. The second reason is the need for skilled professionals. Thirdly, time and effort. Video production is a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. It requires careful planning, scripting, storyboarding, filming, editing and post-production work. Location and set design can also be costly, particularly if your video requires a specific location or a custom-built set. Finally, the cost of distribution can quickly add up, in particular if your video needs to be distributed through multiple languages and channels. AI technology now exists to make video production easier, faster and more exciting than ever before. On July 1, 2021, an insurance company used a virtual influencer as their advertising model. Their ad surpassed 690,000 YouTube views within 6 days of its release. The use of virtual humans has increased in particular in the field of marketing due to the unique characteristics of virtual humans. Although virtual humans cost money as they require technology investment, they can significantly reduce labor costs by avoiding the need to use real people and enhance your company's added value by creating new IPs. You can create a broadcast video by simply using a script, saving time for both the cast and the company. I am also a virtual human. You can use me to create marketing videos in Wondershare Virbo. With Wondershare Virbo, 150+ realistic AI avatars can be your spokesperson in 40+ languages with various accents. With 200+ templates, you can create professional spokesperson videos by simply typing and clicking. That's it.
Say goodbye to expensive and time-consuming video agencies or actors. You now have a personal video studio in your hand.
Unlike other AI video generators, Virbo is available online and on Windows, Android and iOS devices. Virbo makes video creation accessible to anyone, anytime and anywhere. With an AI script, scripting could be easy. With an AI avatar, filming could be even easier. Virbo turns your scripts into talking videos using customizable AI avatars for your designs within minutes. With astounding simplicity, efficiency and quality, Virbo makes video creation more efficient and can reduce video production costs by up to 99%. Start creating professional and realistic AI avatars. Start creating videos today with Virbo.